In this video, we're going to see a quick comparison between CasaOS versus Unraid versus TrueNAS versus Umbrel. Firstly, we start with CasaOS, which is an open-source, lightweight home server OS, focuses on easy Docker app management and self-hosting with a simple GUI. It's best for beginners or casual users wanting to quick learning, app deployment, and Raspberry Pi on low-end hardware. It is user-friendly, it has minimal setup, and of course it's lightweight, but it's not designed for heavy storage or enterprise-level features. Now let's move on to Unraid. It's a proprietary NAS and home server OS, focuses on advanced storage management with Docker and VM support. It's best for who want to robust NAS features, media servers, Docker apps, and virtual machines on a single platform. It has a powerful interface, versatile, active community, and GUI-based ease of use, but it has a paid license, higher resource requirements than CasaOS. Now let's move on to TrueNAS. It's a free and open-source NAS OS, also enterprise editions. It focuses on enterprise-grade storage, advanced ZFS file system, strong data integrity, and backup options. It's best for power users and businesses needing reliable, high-performance NAS and storage solution. It has a rock-solid data protection, powerful features, and scalability, but it's more complex to set up, heavier on hardware, and less focus on Docker and VMS natively. And finally, Umbrel. It's an open-source personal server OS focused on Bitcoin and Lightning Network nodes. It focuses on simplifying Bitcoin node and Lightning Network setup, plus a growing catalog of self-hosted apps. It's best for crypto enthusiasts wanting an easy way to run Bitcoin nodes and related apps at home. It has a simple setup and an interface for specialized use, great for cryptocurrency node operation, but narrower focused than others, and it's not a general-purpose NAS or app servers.